Any installation of HHP elements with cone and thread, CNT end connection, either to fitting, adapter, or a valve, must be conducted by the following steps. 1. Lubricate all male threads with any anti-seize lubricant. 2. Apply the same lubricant to the cone end of the tubing. 3. Thread the collar counterclockwise, left-hand thread, to the tube, up to 1 to 2 full thread space from the cone end of the tube. 4. Insert the tube with the collar into the fitting body. 5. Before applying the final torque, pay attention that the tube is on full contact with the female cone on the fitting body. A full metal face-to-face contact should be achieved. 6. Thread the gland into the fitting body until finger tight. 7. Hold the fitting body steady and tighten the gland.